Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw Happy New Year in some shapes. Let's draw a letter H, A, P, P, Y. Great job. Now let's draw the letter N, E, W, Y, E, A, R. Wonderful. Now, let's make all the lines thick and clean. Take your time. You're doing great. Now, it's time to draw some shapes. What shape is this? Circle. How about this one? Star. What shape is this? Square. How about this one? Diamond. The shapes look amazing. Now it's coloring time. First, let's use red. Color it red.
Red, red, red is an apple. Red, red, red is a heart. I like red, it is so bright. Color, color, red is right.
Next is orange. Color it orange.
Orange, orange, orange is a carrot. Orange, orange, orange is the sun. I like orange, it is so fun. Color, color, orange is right.
Now let's pick up yellow. Color it yellow, yellow, yellow.
Yellow, yellow, yellow is a ducky. Yellow, yellow, yellow is a star. I like yellow, it's so bright. Color, color, yellow is right.
Then let's use green.
Green, green, green is a froggy. Green, green, green is a tree. I like green, it's so cool. Color, color, green is right.
Next, let's color it blue.
Blue, blue, blue is the ocean. Blue, blue, blue is the sky.
Now, let's use purple. Color it purple, purple, purple.
Purple, purple, purple is a grape. Purple, purple, purple is a flower. I like purple, it's so pretty. Color, color, purple is right.
And last, let's paint it pink.
Pink, pink, pink is a piggy. Pink, pink, pink is a rose. I like pink, it's so pretty. Color, color, pink is right.
Wow, you did an amazing job. It's so beautiful. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful year. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.